Hi guys, welcome back to another mini short video. Show you where we've got to on this side. Just back on the boot floor area again. You can see I've started cutting out here. See the bottom edge of the companion bin here, where we need to I've marked out where that's attached to the floor all along here. We'll need to release those spot welds later. Just removed a little bit here already. You can see here this is also the companion bin. I'm going to have to make a little repair panel for that piece, where that had been repaired onto here with and then a right angle onto the seat floor. On our patchwork floor that we're going to be doing is this here. So I've just marked out the centre. You can see that there. Just used a bit of string with a centre point and then attached around the pen to make some concentric rings here for the different widths. And yeah, you can see that. I think that one there is the one I'm going to be cutting to. And been making a circular piece of steel that will fit up in, well, probably from the top actually. I have now cut this out, as you can see. I've also, if you can tell here, ran round the edge here with the joggling tool. Now the joggling tool that I've got is a hand one, cheap, off of eBay, and it's pretty rubbish, but it does create a slight lip in there. That's going to be enough, I think, for my piece of steel which I've cut out. It's a fairly close shape. And what I'm going to do is use these. Now these are from the inside of a hard disk drive. Might have mentioned that before. I highly recommend, if you can get access to something like this. So strong. I'll put that there, and I've got one over there, and I will probably put another couple of them round when I get that far, and then offer up my piece of metal, and that is pretty much clamping that down into position. Then I've got some marks around here, so we just, when it's pushed down, we're fitting inside the joggle, or what little joggle there is, which will just help make it slightly flatter. Once this has all got under seal on it, obviously you will see a lot less. Maybe we'll go for some boot boards or something one day, just to make it tidy in there. Anyway, just showing you where that is. Obviously we're going to use the spot welder on here before we do any of the rest of this, so we'll just spot weld this round here. But I need to get some weld through primer. There seem to be two types, zinc and copper. I've decided to go for the copper based one. I think it's a U-POL copper based weld through primer, just because I'm hoping that will take better with the spot weld. Spot weld really doesn't want to even entertain the idea of working if there's anything between the welds, but we'll give it a try. I might just have to mark exactly where my spots are going to go, and then try and put the primer everywhere where we're not having the spot weld. If it's going to be difficult, but particularly in here, obviously the water, any water that might get in the boot, will sit in the lowest part, which is basically where this joint's going to be. So just need to do what I can to stop it rusting. Alright guys, that's all. Cheers, bye.